It's a French onion soup crostini.
Nice, love that.
So caramelized onions, and we're gonna put in a little sherry and a little beef broth, and then that's gonna go on top of a crostini. And so,
Yummy.
that's just, to me, just so delicious. Of course, a little bit of sherry, which makes
That's
French
a party,
onions so
sweetheart.
good. Oh, a little more sherry. That's your recipe. A little beef broth, and then we just top the croutons with the hot onions. I love having caramelized onions just in my fridge.
Thyme go in this one?
Yeah, put a little bit in there.
That smells so good.
And then you put the hot onion on top of the crostini and then the grated cheese. And it just starts to melt, and you pop it in your mouth. It goes great with champagne punch.
Yum. I'll load these up for the ladies. You choose them.
Oh yeah, I'll cheese them.
Oh my gosh.
You cheese them, I'll onion them.
So good.